Makiria ya arutwo 140 aria mekire kigeranio gya KCSE mwaka muhituku magairwo mieke kuingira thukuru-ini cia TVET na namba ino ikoretwo ikiongerereka mwaka thutha wa mwaka. Ugai wa kigina kuri thukuru icio na kuhanura uguo ukoretwo ariditi na kuringana na gikundi kia uthuthuria wa maundu makoniĩ githomo gya ZIZI AFRIQUE. Uyu ni umwe wa maundu maria macungiririe thukuru ici na makiria iria ciri icagi-ini kuhana ta ciatiganĩirio.
And we are asking the government to rethink, even in this new funding model, how much will go to the TVETs. And when we talk of TVETs, it's not just the National Polytechnic.
Imwe cia thukuru ici thiini wa kaunti itiganite ikoretwo ikiguciriria namba nini muno ya arutwo. Giki ari kimwe kia itumi cia kampeini iria ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere ni ZIZI AFRIQUE ngwataniro-ini na thirikari cia kaunti gutigirira arutwo aingi ni meyandikithia kuingira thukuru-ini ici o ta uria kwahoteka.
We also actually ended up working with those governments that thought this was a priority area for them. And so what we did is we did a mix of road shows, a mix of community engagement meetings, working with the TVET institutions themselves, meeting young people and then letting them know what is available for them in TVET and how they can get involved in terms of studying. So we used a number.
Thirikari ni yoritio kururumura riri wa thukuru ici niguo itige kuoneka tari cia arutwo aria magwa igeranio na oho guthondeka tabarira iria cirahe kanya arutwo kuma ngathi itiganite.
Believe now in the modern world there are a lot of opportunities, especially for people who are gifted in the technical aspects. TVETs can really provide a very good opportunity for them to be able to strengthen their skills, but also the very skills that are really important for even the development of our society. You're talking about people who are doing construction work, you're talking about people who are doing things like plumbing, you're talking for people who are in the fashion industry.
Is to tell the managers of these institutions, please be flexible in terms of the ladies with children especially. That is because if a lady has a child, even if there's an open door policy, they can go to the institution anytime. Do you create an environment where they can actually go perhaps with their child and leave the baby somewhere?
Ica ikuhi ministry ya githomo ikoretwo igitwarithia na mbere tabarira cia guthomithia weru arutani guthurima weru mathomo maria makoretwo magithomithio thukuru-ini ici na oho kwambatiria ikiro cia mashini na mitambo iria irahuthika niguo gutigirira arutwo mari na utaramu wa kiriu niguo gukinyaniria ikiro cia wandikani.
Our interaction with employers, they say yes, we like young people with technical skills. I mean, like plumbing, electrical installation, mechanical engineering, all that. But values are also very important. What do we mean by values? Like integrity. Will a young person go fix your car and, get away, perhaps remove some very important piece from the engine?
What that needs still to be done. The issue of I don't know, they are called instructors. The retooling of instructors on modern technologies and to be able also to understand new ways of teaching is a critical one. Expanding the infrastructure to accommodate children but also to accommodate more skill areas is something that needs to be done.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.